Hi guys, wahala don shele o. We no come know the one when we dey. We no know the one when to obey, whether na CBN o, abi na the Supreme Court or whatever. We are now at the middle of Red Sea. We are just caged here. We don't know who to obey. These governments, they are not just stable. They are pushing Nigerians up and down. Pushing Nigerians, they go push us go this side. They go push us go the other side. You will be shocked to hear this, my people. They come talk saying na breaking news. Old Naira notes remain legal tender. The case is resolved. The Nigerian Supreme Court now talk this one. Meanwhile, CBN don't talk say this old Naira note, no to it. The plaintiff had filed a notice of non-compliance with the court order issued on February 8 and demanded that the court take action against the respondent in order to protect the court's dignity. The Supreme Court on Wednesday ruled that the old 200, the old 500, and 1,000 Naira notes are still recognized as legal tender in Nigeria. The Appeals Court made this known while restating its order stopping the Nigerian government and its agencies from implementing the February 10 deadline. The court issued the clarification in response to a complaint by Kami Mustapha San, a lawyer for Kaduna, Kogi, and Zamfara State, that the federal government of Nigeria and its agencies had failed to comply with the order and had allegedly directed the rejection of the old notes. According to Mustapha, the plaintiff filed a notice of non-compliance with the court order issued on February 8 and demanded that the court take the action against the respondent in order to protect the court's dignity. He added, that order has been flouted by the government. We are talking of executive lawlessness here. We have filed an affidavit to that effect. We want the court to renew the order for parties to be properly guided. Justice John Okoro, who presided over a 7-member panel of the court, asked Mustapha to file a proper application to put forward his complaint and to enable the respondent to respond appropriately. Justice Okoro said there was no need for a renewal of the court's order. Mustapha, while addressing newsmen in Abuja after the court order adjourned the case to February 22nd, said, we must put in the court that the court order on February 8th is still effective and is still subsisting. And I'm here to confirm that. And the implication of that is that the old notes still remain as legal tender and the policy or deceive a directive given by the CBN governor becomes inconsequential in the light of the fact that the court has extended the lifespan of the interim order it granted on February 8th to the effect that both the old notes and the new notes are still legal tender until the motion on notice taken on Wednesday. That is the current position as at now, and any other step contrary to that will be contravention to the order of the court. 9 more state governments on Wednesday were joined as parties in the suit to challenge the legality of the Naira swap policy issued by the Nigerian government through the CBN. A 7-member panel of Supreme Court led by Justice John Okoro joined the Attorneys General of Katsina, Lagos, uh, Ondo, Ogun, Ekiti, across River and Sokoto State as and so plentiful, while the Attorney Generals of Edo and Bayelsa State were joined as respondents. But the Appeals Court adjourned the matter to February 25th for hearing, while it still upheld the interim injunction it granted the plaintiff on February 8th that the old Naira note still remain legal tender in the country. Meanwhile, the court ordered the original plaintiff and the respondents, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, to armed the process during field field to reflect the new parties. Recall that the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) had declared that the old Naira notes of 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira seeks to be legal tender in Nigeria since the 10th of February 2023. Sahara reporters had reported that most bank customers were confused on Monday as commercial banks rejected the ones never the word I beg your pardon. Sahara reporters had reported that most bank customers were confused on Monday as commercial banks rejected the old Naira notes they wanted to deposit. Hmm. Oh my God. Still advertising whatsoever. Me, I am not learned though. Let the federal government meet the opposition team as a court and let me know the verdict. Okay, guys, someone just dropped that. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.